All right, good morning. It's almost 8 o'clock. I am really late this morning getting out and feeding the animals, but it's getting light later, so I have to come out. Well, I don't have to. I do come out later on the weekends when I have time to wait on it to get light. But I've got Tucker's food, and I am about to go get feed for the goats. Usually I've got Caleb up front in a kennel, and usually I take him back out to the bucks first thing, but I'm late and you can hear those goats. If I don't hurry up and get to them, Sky will be under my feet. She'll be tripping me while I'm trying to put Caleb with the bucks, and she could get in with the bucks. So first thing I'm gonna do is take care of the does. All right, I got a mess in here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's not a whole lot of light. So, all right, good morning, kitty. I'm so glad to see you. Fed you a lot, didn't I, last night? So I'll just stop by where I dropped Tucker's feed off and get that and take it out to Tucker and the goats. We're at the end of September and I am wearing a hoodie this morning. It is a bit chilly for me. Although I have shorts and Crocs on, I do have a hoodie on. That will be coming off later because it will warm up. But for now, it's chilly. Can you guys hear the goats? Got a goat out over there trying to figure out how to get back in. What is she gonna do? She's almost too big to fit through there. Good morning, Tucker. Sky. Good morning. Now here's the tricky part. The tricky part is feeding Tucker without Sky. If Tucker's real possessive over his food. Once he gets his food, he's not the sweet boy he is right now. So once I put this food in there for Tucker, then I gotta make sure the goats stay away. And that might be hard to do and hold the camera too. So we'll see how this works out. I might have to turn the camera off and come back to you guys. Morning. Good. Get down. You gotta get down for me to do this. You gotta get down. How am I supposed to do this? Move. Move your head. All right, let's go. Okay, get down. Who brought this over here? Did you do it or did Tucker do it? Here we go. Time to feed. They are hungry. They're hungry. Let's see, we got to check their hay. There is green out here, but I have been putting some hay in there a little bit because apparently this green isn't the green they want. I don't know. But they're a little spoiled. Y'all didn't eat all. Well, I guess you did. Okay. Enjoy your breakfast. Enjoy your breakfast. Tucker, you being a good boy? Are you being a good boy? You gonna eat your breakfast? Are you gonna eat your breakfast? Good boy. Good boy. One down and a whole bunch to go. Actually, I don't have very many animals. But let's go get Caleb, take him out to the bucks because I'm sure he's ready to go. Are you ready? Did you eat? You ate almost all of it. That's a good boy. You're ready to go, aren't you? Wait on me. Gotta wait on me. Okay, let's go. Wait, buddy. Let's go. You ready, Kate? Okay. Let's go. Let's get there. Let's do this. Good boy. Okay, so I got Caleb out, I got the does fed and Tucker fed, but I still have to feed the bucks and the birds. And this video is just going to be kind of a day in the life, like my chores on the homestead. I'm off today. I do work a job, but this is a weekend, so things are going to be done a little bit differently. I'm not going to have a lot of chores on the farm because I have to go into town to get my oil changed, but I'm just going to take you along in my day today, and I hope you enjoy it. So we go back into the shop and get feed for the bucks and the birds. And I threw this over here when I was taking Caleb in over there. Gives me more. I only have two hands. I was holding him with one, the camera with another one. So I threw this down, and now it's time to get some more feed. So one of the things that I should be doing is cleaning out this shop, but I don't know if I'm going to get to that today or not. But the chickens know I've got their food, and they have started coming around to get fed. For those of you that don't follow me normally, this is maybe your first time. I have a few free-ranging chickens, 2 ducks that are free-ranging, and then I have a flock in the large coop out there with two turkeys. More hands would be better. Keep them busy. Keep them away from this. And then I got my broody duck. When are you gonna hatch those? Isn't it time? Isn't it time yet to hatch those? I think it's getting close. I think it's getting close. I hope some hatch. I really do. Get back. Oh, well, that didn't work well. What's wrong with you? Here she comes. Here comes Sky. That's Rocky. Of course you've met Caleb. Isn't he so pretty? He's not the most behaved dog there is, but he's pretty. Yeah, he's a good boy. Sky, go back home. So I'm gonna throw just a little bit more out. And I put some on the cow poop so that they keep that cleaned up. Y'all see any more? They're doing a good job keeping that cleaned up. But here are these guys. And oh, I gotta make sure this duck gets something. This is the drake, and he's by himself since she's on eggs. Here you go, buddy. So I'm gonna throw this over into their pen. They used to have it in that bucket, but I had a goat in there, and he tore it up. They act like they're really hungry, but they still had feed from yesterday. So I think today or tomorrow, I think I'm going to get that bucket out. Maybe when I go to town to get my oil changed, maybe I can get another setup. I don't know yet, but I need to go get my oil changed. But I would like to get that nesting box out and clean it out because it's a mess. It's a wreck in there. And I just need to clean that up a little bit in there. Hopefully I get that done today, but it could be tomorrow. Now you guys saw me feed 2 dogs. No, you didn't. You saw me feed 1 dog. You saw me put Caleb out, but you saw that Caleb had already eaten his breakfast for this morning. I have 8 dogs. Some of you know that, but if you're new to the channel, I have 8 dogs, and I've already fed them this morning. The first thing I do when I get up is get ready, brush my teeth and all of that, get coffee making, and then I get the bowls ready for the other dogs, and I feed them first in the mornings. Okay, so I got a whole flake of hay that I'm going to give to to Pepper and the buck that I have with no name. They don't have any access to any weeds or grass or anything. They don't even have access to things that they don't like to eat. So I have to give them hay right now. You better get down, buddy. Oh, you should have moved. That's Pepper. He doesn't have a name, but they'll eat that up pretty quickly. Their water looks okay. You stay over there, Rocky. So Pepper, I haven't had very long. He's injured, so he has to stay away from the other goats so they don't butt heads. And actually, I haven't had the little buckling very long either. A little bit longer than Rocky, Pepper. But Rocky's mean to him, so I can't put him over with Rocky. Oh, I meant to get this string. So I can't put him over with Rocky yet. The reason I feed the other dogs first, like I said, I have 8 dogs, and I just fed Tucker, and I fed him a little bit late, but the other dogs are up by the house, and there are a few inside the house. And the first thing I do in the morning is get up and get ready, and I pray. Yes, I pray. We have a God that created everything, created the birds, the fish of the sea, the trees, the land that we're on. And so every morning I pray to him, and if I don't want to be distracted, the dogs require me to feed them first, and that's the only reason I feed them first thing. Otherwise I would get up and pray first. But in order to get that done, I do have to feed them first, and then I come out and I start feeding everybody else. I also check their waters. To make sure that they do have water to drink. I don't usually water in the morning except when it's really hot in the summer, because that's when they need it. But most of the time, today's going to be an example of something different. The cows do need to be watered this morning, Most of the time they have water from yesterday because I water them in the evening, and if they need it, that's when I would clean their waters. I don't clean the waters every day, just as they need it. I know that some people do. I know that some people clean their waters every day, and people expect that there be nothing in the waters, no algae, no leaves, no anything like that. But these animals are livestock. If I had a pond, that's where they would be getting their water. So they will drink out of a pond. Goats are a little bit different as far as livestock goes in what they'll eat and drink. But besides that, I just kind of keep an eye on it, and I do clean them every week, once a week, but in between as needed. I'm not going to clean this morning. I may do it this evening. We are on a weekend. I don't always clean. I said I cleaned every week, but I don't always clean the big stock tanks every week. These are the cows, and they most definitely will drink out of a muddy pond. If you see anything, and I don't know if the camera's showing it, it's leaves. There's no algae, there's no dirt, just leaves. And there's a tree right above, and those leaves are falling right now all day long. And so even if I clean that out this morning, by this evening, it would need it again. And so I don't see, the tank itself is not dirty. Come on, Sky. The tank itself isn't dirty, so what I'll probably do is get a net and get the leaves out. Or I might clean it later, I don't know. As you can see here, water's clean. Did you eat all your breakfast? I see that your bowl's empty. That's a good boy. They got some water over here too. And it's clean. And it's clean because I washed it yesterday. And right there's the brush I use. So, every weekend. Hey, you need to go back in. Come on, Sky. I wish you wouldn't eat that. I don't know if you're supposed to be eating that. So, how about you don't eat that? You're getting heavy. She's gonna get right back out. Got me dirty. Another thing I do right away, let me fix this. Another thing I do right away is get Tucker's bowl out of here, because he is very possessive over his dog food, and I don't want him to be protecting an empty bowl from the goats and accidentally hurting a goat. So I use the same hose and move it as I need to water the girl goats, or these guys out here. Alright, let's go hook it up to the hydrant and turn it on and water these cows. Commotion going. Oh my goodness, really, guys? I put one up and 3 get out. I've got to fix that. They don't go anywhere except if I'm out here. If I'm out here, they'll follow me around, which could get them in trouble depending on where I go. But if I'm not out here running around, they stay like right up in here, or right along there, or right here, and they don't go anywhere. But since I'm out here, I'm going to go ahead and put them back up, and they're probably going to get right back out. But they're out over here towards the front, and I don't want them to go in the front yard or out to the road. Okay, I got 2 out of 3 in, and 2 out of 3 ain't bad. So they'll go in there. They'll probably get out again while I'm out here. They'll get out again even when I'm not out here, but they won't be following me all over the place. I don't want them to go in the shop because there is no electricity in there, and there's a lot of stuff to hide behind, so I don't need that happening. And I don't need them to go to the front yard, and I don't really want them hanging out over here by the boys' pen. So yeah, that water's filling up, and I'll just hang out here for a second. So So I don't do anything with the steers except I'm gonna go, while this is filling up, let's go check on their water. I don't usually do anything with the steers until the evening. I don't do anything with the cows until the evening, except check their water to make sure that they have plenty of water, because water is more important than food. And they only eat once a day. And actually, I don't feed these cows every day because they have all that grass. I don't have a whole lot left, but they do have some grass out there. And these steers over here, they have hay out here. I put some more out here yesterday. Their water seems to be fine. I'll check it later today since I'm off today. And I can see actually one of them coming up, two of them coming up. They were out there eating on the hay bale. So they're good. There should be 3 steers though. Let me check. I see 3 steers. That's good. Now I'm going to get back over this water. In my prayer time, there's also a little bit of, some of that is reading the Bible. I don't read a whole lot of the Bible. I need to read more of it. I do listen to teachings on YouTube, like not preachings, but teachings on the Bible. I really like to learn in depth the things of the Bible. So that is what I'm doing when I first get up. That is why I get up so early. I get up usually before 5, although this morning it was right about 5, and that's unusual. Guess who just got out? The goats just got out again. Well, 2 of them did. There's Sky. Okay, Sky is a bottle baby, in case you don't know, in case you're new to the channel. Sky's a bottle baby, and she's a little bit of a pain, but she's cute and she's very sweet. And so hi kitty. And so, you know, she does pretty much whatever she wants. That goat laying down over there being good in the pen with Tucker is Pebbles, and she's over there being good because she's not big enough to come through the fence. Like I said, these guys won't go anywhere. I just don't like them out running around when I'm out here because they follow me everywhere. Even though she won't let me pet her, she follows me. You too, huh? Sometimes this one lets me pet her. So I'm going to turn off the water. That is it for the morning. That's all I do in the mornings. It's not very much. It seems like a lot more when I'm getting ready and still have to go into town to go to work, but it's really not that much. But I will catch you guys later on this afternoon. Okay, it is about 12:30, 1 o'clock. Much warmer. I don't have a hoodie on. There are a couple things that I wanted to get done today. You know, the things I had to go to town and take care of. Tonight I am going with my parents to their church. They're going to have an auction, so I want to go to that. So I'll be feeding a little bit earlier today than I usually do. But right now I need to get some things done so that I'm able to go to the auction. So I am back here with these 2, and Dandy's out here somewhere. There she is over there laying down. What I need is, I think I need one of these. I think I need this right here. There's a bunch of junk on top. And I guess I need to get these shorter ones off. Yeah, so I'm going to have to move this. And all I need, I think I just need one. I might have to come back and get 2 or get a shorter one. But I'm going to take it over to where the steers are and set it up there. And I don't know how to explain to you what I'm going to do. I'll just have to take you over and show that to you. So let me get started on this and we'll go over there. Okay, dogs, you got to move. I don't even know what to do with this. Don't know what to do with it. It's kind of a mess. wonder if I could sit up there without anybody getting hurt. Maybe? I don't know. Uh-oh. Maybe I should put it behind this T-post. And there's barbed wire. Man. Gotta be an easier way to do this. That's not gonna hold it quite yet. No, that's not cool. This is one of them times where maybe having one more person might be nice. Get back, buddy. Get back, dog. There we go. I think I got it that time. Stuck on something. Oh, there's this wire. Man, I hope I only need one. Bet I need two because that was real hard. I bet I need two. I don't know whether to set this back down. I'll go ahead and get another one out. I thought that fell. I thought it was coming my way. Actually, I think it is. Stay there. Stay there. There we go. I'll just go ahead and get two out, just in case, because I need to go ahead and lay this back down so the dogs don't bump into it and get hurt on it. Okay, I've got two cattle panels out, but I am going to just take one over there just in case. I don't want to carry two over and I only need one and then have to bring back one. So I'm going to take one over there, see if that works, and then we'll deal with the second one when I find out. Now, the hard part, getting in past these guys. Well, let me set you down here for a second. Gotta lift the gate. Oh, it's a heavy gate. There we go. Better watch it, Axel. Go on. Hey, go on. Get. Get. Go. Go. I'm gonna need right there, guys. I'm gonna need more than one of those panels, but I don't know that I quite need two. Let me see if I can force my way in with one of these, or with this rather. No, go on, go on. Stay. Do steer stay when told? Nope, they don't. No. Oh, this is a problem. Let me sit you guys down. I'm just gonna set you there just for a minute while I bring this in, because the steers are not staying where I told them to stay. Oh, that's too far. It worked. Y'all better move. Better move. Come on, Axel. Get out the way, buddy. You better get on out of the way, buddy. They're coming in. Okay. Here we go. This is where we are. Okay. Cows, bulls, steers, stay out of the way. I'm gonna shut the gate. So, you can't reach it, buddy. I gotta give him some more water. You'll drink a lot today. Now I've got myself trapped in here. I'll go down here. I hope you guys can hear me. It is a lot windier now than it was this morning when I was out here, which feels good, but it is bad for filming. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Back it out. Let's see, can I put you down right here for a second? We can get you the balance. There we go. Maybe that'll work. And this is what they're wanting. Watch out, Axel. Watch out, buddy. Better move. That's twice I almost fell forward. Because this is bent. Not quite tall enough. There we go. Oh, this almost, I don't know. I might need another, just a small piece after I put that down there. Maybe. Let's see if this works out. All right, I got this up here with zip ties. I got that one. What are you doing, buddy? You better stay out of my way. I got one in the middle, one right here, and one right here. It doesn't take much. It's not time to eat, not yet. I'll feed you a little bit early today, but it's not time yet. I'm so glad I didn't bring that other panel out here, because it would have been a waste. All I need is for when we we're going to load, man, I hope you guys can hear me with all this wind. We're going to load the trailer. We back the trailer in right here at this gate, and we run the cows or steers in this situation. It'd be steers. We run the steers through here, back up here into the trailer. Well, but in the time past, we've had problems because they'll try to, whoever's running them in, they'll try to, they more than try, they jump through there. And actually, there's a pretty funny video out on that. I will link that at the end of this video, for you guys to go watch, because that was fun. When we first loaded the steers and the bull and took them out to Amy's parents' property, while these cows had their calves. Don't forget to watch that one. It was pretty funny. But anyway, this is going to keep that from happening. Now I have this other little piece over there that I'm going to go get, and that's where we'll run them through here. We'll put that other piece up if it's long enough. I think it is. I better go shut this gate though. I'm gonna leave it like that, because if it's hard for me to close, it might be hard for me to get out of it. I'll just leave it like that. And out of the way, guy. Come on, buddy. Move it, move it, move it. This one is mine. 3 in here, 1 mine. And that would be him. Okay, so here's his piece. Yeah, I think this is big enough. Excuse me. But with someone standing here, if you didn't let them bully their way out, it's big enough. And they will bully their way out if you're not careful. Set that there. So this will open. This will actually come out, though I gotta pick it up, but it'll come out this way, and they can go behind it and come up out this gate here. Or we can just leave it shut and just run them through here. We'll see how it goes. Almost time, guys. Almost time to eat dinner. All right, you ready? Axel, we did that. One project completed that I wanted to get done today. Jump. I think I'm gonna go ahead and water them. It's kind of low. I mean, there's plenty there for the rest of the day, but I'm gonna have to water them anyway. And if I water them now, as late as it is, let me see, I don't have my phone on me, I don't know what time it is. As late as it is, I might not have to water this evening, but I might have to. But what if I forget? What if something happens and I can't get back over here? You never know. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up and then move on to the next next project, and they're real small projects. I just needed to get a few things done today. I get things done, like I said, on the weekends. This is a weekend, and even though I'm going somewhere, I still need to finish something. I need to do something. I need to always, every day, make forward progress, or it gets way out of hand. And there's always something to do. So when I'm out here and I have a water running, filling up the livestock tank, since it takes a few minutes, I usually set an alarm on my phone, and that way I can go do other things and come back to it. But I didn't bring my phone out this time, so I have to stand here and watch it because I'll forget. And so I don't want that happening, so I'm going to stand out here and wait. But guys, it's getting close. It's getting close for their processing date. It will be sad for me. It just will be. There's nothing I can do. I don't pet them. I don't play with them. I don't name them or anything. But I'm out here every day taking care of them. So it is difficult. But we do have a date. It will happen. And on the bright side, two things. One, I'll have meat in my freezer. But the second thing is I won't have to come out here to take care of animals. Everything will stay right up there. The cows, the goats, and everything, and chickens right up in there. So it'll make it easier on the winter. So like everyday life on a farm or homestead or ranch or anything like that really has a lot to do with the weather. How things go is determined by what's going on in the weather. And so we're in the fall right now, so today is my normal routine on a day off. I usually get more done, but today I'm going somewhere. But anyway, it'll look different in the winter, it'll look different in the spring, and it definitely looks different in the summer. So I'll probably do 3 more videos like this. Okay, so I did have this little buckling out in the chicken coop, and that is where I'm going now. There are the girls, they're out again. That is where I'm going now. Hope you can hear me over the wind. Oh, sometimes the weather and filming doesn't go together, but I'm going to go out here and definitely clean out their water. It is time to clean out their water, but kind of, ow, that hurt. Kind of clean this out a little bit. Just a little bit. Let go. Oh, you guys need water bad. But I'm going to get that up, and when she gets it done in there, I'm going to try to clean that out and put the other, I don't want to go in there, I don't know what to call it, put the other thing on top where it's supposed to be. First thing I'm going to do is this water. Alright, got the water filled. She's still sitting in here, but I'm going to have to move her because I'm on a time crunch. Limited time. What are you doing? What are you doing, lady? Somebody got some eggs. See? Where's that other piece? I gotta find that other piece. This piece is what I'm talking about. Well, I gotta go find that. I don't have any idea. Blizzard. Where is it? I don't remember taking that in. There it is. It's hidden. It's hidden under this hay. Okay. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. I need you out. I need you out. Is that a spider? What is that? I can't see. Not a spider. You want eggs? Come on, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Come on. Oh, you got an egg there. You got a few eggs there. I'm gonna clean this out, but I'm trying to decide whether to put them back in there or not to see if she'll sit on them. That would be cool. Maybe. Here, eat that. You eat that. That's just the swimming pool for the ducks. And the animals come by and drink out of it. The cows do, sometimes the goats do, the ducks definitely do, chickens, cats. But it is there for the ducks to get wet in, to make a mess in. There's other waters all over the place. And so I don't scrub it out very often. Oh, this is definitely full. So turn this off, or not turn it off, but well, yeah, turn it off. I'm gonna top off the goats' waters because they look good. You want some of that? We still have this hen here, which I guess is good. I would like for her to have some ducks. I don't know how long it's been. I don't know if she should have already hatched them already or what. I don't remember. I didn't pay that close attention to when she started sitting on them. Okay, I'm going to do something that I don't normally do, and that is I'm going to put this hose in the stock tank. I hate it when that happens. I'm gonna put the hose in the stock tank and let it fill up while I'm finishing what I'm doing over there. It shouldn't take long. It shouldn't take long for me to get done over there. Alright. Water hose, water hose, water hose, water hose, water hose is on. So I did get this back in here. I'm not putting those eggs back in because it's made to kind of come down so the eggs roll down this way. It needs to be hung up here. I haven't done that yet. But I don't want to leave her with those eggs and then she'll get up and get a drink or something and some of the eggs will be half developed and roll down where she can't sit on them. So I'm not going to do that. There's a pretty good sized spider web there. I don't see any spiders. But I'd hate to see any spiders, but I don't want to see the one that lives there. And so now all I'm going to do is cut this off because remember I had that little buck over here and he tore everything up. So we're just going to unhook it, little lady. We're going to try to unhook it one-handed. Yeah. And just get rid of it so it's not in here. And I'm going to get another one of these and start all over with it. That'll help me in the winter. I said that'll help me in the winter before I was interrupted. So just get these pieces up. And here we go. Water. Water hose is on. Excuse me, Blizzard. Water hose, water hose, water hose, water hose, water hose. We barely made that water, but I did get it just in time. Take the hose out. It will cipher out if you don't. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give food to the steers because it is getting later. It's getting time, well, close to time to go. I don't really know what time it is, but I can tell that it's getting close. So I just got them a little grain here, a little sweet feed. All right, all I need to do is feed the steers. I'm not gonna feed the cows today. I did give them some yesterday. They don't eat every day. So, not gonna do it. Fed the goats this morning. Oh, I need to feed the does one more time because they're used to it. I just took Sky off of the bottle, so I'm afraid she'll be out after dark if I don't make sure she gets feed and has her belly good and stuffed. Real soon, and they gotta go. All right, I'm back in the shop because I'm hiding from the wind because I really want you guys to hear what I have to say. I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's totally free. Just push that subscribe button down below. And guys, hit that thumbs up. That thumbs up helps a lot. Leave me comments below. Tell me what you think, good, bad, or in between. Kind of, you know, be nice about it. But if there's something you see that maybe you think would be done better another way, go ahead and leave that in the comments down below, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm gonna put 2 videos up here. Please go pick one of those videos and check out that video. I think you'll enjoy them.